Hello friends, welcome back to Sketchware Help. Till now, we have learned many apps, many functions. I have given you tutorials of many functions, how to use this feature, how to use that feature, how to add that feature in your app, how to enable Wi-Fi, enable mobile data, enable Bluetooth. Many things we have given, how to add bottom navigation. So many things we have learned segmentally. Now it's time to learn something which means I am telling you that now it's time to learn to make some complete professional apps. Okay, so let's start today's tutorial. Today we will be learning how to make a professional WebView Android app. Okay, with the help of Sketchware, and this is a part 1 video of it. So we will be bringing part 2 very soon if we get a good amount of like on this video. Okay, so please hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more such videos like this, and we will be bringing more tutorials, more advanced means we are starting, then we will bring many more apps. So start from for WebView we will be needing two things. One is the logo of the company you are providing, or company you are making the WebView app, and the URL, website URL of that company, or the website URL of which you are making the WebView Android app. Okay, so sorry first of all we will be needing in the main screen. Okay, here we have added a linear one whose width and height are match parent, and gravity I have made as central horizontal, central vertical. Okay, after that in the image section I have added my logo. You will be adding your own logo. Okay, after this add image view here with width and height as wrap content and scale type as fit xy. Then click on the image and select your image. Exactly, the work of view area is over for the splash screen. This is the splash screen. Okay, basically now we have to add three components: request network net, intent I, and timer T. Okay, and next we have to create a more block internet. Here we have to use request network net, start network request network method, get to URL https google.co.in with tag A. Remember the tag is A. Okay, then we have to use these two component or request network on response and on error response. Okay, then we have to create two more page activities. No net activity, I have created no underscore internet.xml, and I have created another activity as home xml. Okay, now I have not used to distinguish between the two. I have given one as toolbar, another does not has a toolbar. Okay, nothing, no rather than this, the two activities are empty activities. Okay, now on component, on response we have to use this intent screen. Okay, I am redirecting it to home activity. So on response component has been configured. Okay, now we will be configuring the on error response part. When on error response we will be going to no net activity and intent. We know how to start like this. Then now let's go to on create activity and use the timer component, and use this timer after 5000 milliseconds internet. Okay, so the splash screen setup is done complete for this. So for the first part we are going with the splash screen only. Now let's see what happens when let's now check that it is the so many we have done, added so many blocks, so it is working or not. Okay, so let's run the activity and see. So when you are running the activity, you can see this part is running, and see network is as internet was connection was on, so it showed like this. It came into our home activity. Okay, now let's close it and let's close my internet. Okay, I'm closing the mobile data and switching it and keeping the app on, and let's see what happens. See, it went to the error network, no net activity. See, I can show you again that on error network, on no net activity we have placed the toolbar, and on home activity there was no toolbar. So I hope so, and understood that it is working very well, fine. So let's stay tuned for the next tutorial for the no net activity and the home activity. We will be creating a very good, very beautiful web view Android app, and you can sell it to your clients. Okay, so I hope you all have liked this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you. We will be back with this next part very soon.